Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install Google Maps. First of all, open App Store, click on the search icon, and then click the search bar. And type for Google Maps. And then click the search button. And scroll down to Google Maps. And then click the Google Maps. Then click the Get button to start the download process. Then verify with your Face ID. Then the downloading is still in process and we need to wait around 1 minute for it. Once the downloading process is complete, we can click the Open button to open the Google Maps. Okay, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.